Today is Friday, January 29th, and the weather has changed. It's become very windy, very snowy. You can actually see snow blowing off the buildings here. You can see how it has affected our little bit of patio here. You can see how the wind has whipped through these piles of snow. The snow is falling quite gently, but with the wind, it's really going everywhere. So this morning we had a couple appointments out that Nella drove us to, thankfully, and John got a ride to work, and we'll be taking the bus home, but you can just see how everything's coming off.